Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share from my heart to your status og beter. And now, today's story titled, How My Uncle's Workshop Shaped My Life and Career. Gratitude is a powerful feeling, though we don't always express it enough. Today, Femi reflects on what he is thankful for, and his mind goes back to his late uncle, whose words and actions continue to guide him. Growing up in Ibadan, Nigeria, Femi often spent time in his uncle's workshop, a small space where his uncle, a retired teacher, pursued his passion for craftsmanship. It was in that workshop that Femi learned valuable life lessons that would shape him for years to come. One of his first lessons came from a simple wooden stool. He was eager to see the finished product, but his uncle took his time, showing him the importance of patience and precision. That stool taught Femi not to rush through life, but to take the time to do things well. Next were the wooden toy cars his uncle crafted by hand. Each car was carefully detailed, even in the parts that weren't visible. The toy cars taught Femi the value of attention to detail and doing things with excellence, even when no one else might notice. Then came the rocking chair his uncle made for Femi's grandmother. It wasn't just the beauty of the chair that stood out, but the love and care his uncle put into every part of it. This taught Femi the importance of putting love and care into everything he did, especially for others. One day his uncle repaired an old family clock thought to be beyond saving. Patiently, he restored it to its former glory, teaching Femi that even things broken beyond repair can be fixed with patience and dedication. After his uncle passed away, it was difficult to keep the workshop going. Eventually, Femi and his siblings sold it, using the funds to start a vocational training program for young people, teaching them the skills his uncle had passed down. Naming the program after him ensured his legacy would continue. Without his uncle's guidance, Femi wouldn't have learned these invaluable lessons, and without letting go of the workshop, they wouldn't have been able to help others learn the same. The vocational program stands as a tribute to his uncle's life and the gratitude Femi feels for everything he gave. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story. Beloved, what an inspiring story. Femi's uncle's workshop was more than just a place of work. It was a place of life lessons handed down through each project. His uncle treated every creation with care and respect, just as we should approach the people in our lives. When we treat relationships with the same level of care and understanding, we can help others unlock their potential. Just as the workshop fostered creativity and growth, so too can our relationships when we nurture them with patience and attention. Each person is unique, like the different projects in the workshop. By treating them with care, we can uncover hidden gems within them. Every situation, no matter how small, holds a lesson if we are willing to learn. Take these lessons and apply them to your life. By nurturing the relationships around you, you will create your own workshop of growth, creativity, and fulfillment. I hope you are inspired by Femi's story and learn valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere Shalom. You will succeed.